interview with his son. His son has an E30 slide.
Oh, no way.
Today's your day, Jip.
Yeah. I'm hyped. Hopefully it dries up a little bit, but
For a drift event.
yeah, if it's wet, I don't care. Wet and wild.
Hit it.
Hit it. All right, so we got the budget hatch for its first drift event, and so is Jip. Dude, I'm so pumped.
I'm
for you.
excited. I'm hella excited. I just want to go out there.
We're just stuck in the mud.
Yeah.
All
We'll go a little bogging first.
So we got to change his wheels. We got wheels with sticky tires in the front, and we got some burners, of course. We're gonna change them real quick, unload, and hopefully not get covered in mud.
I gotta film the most dusted of the VSKS. This is the only one that's chipping like this.
Unfortunately, oh, the sun's coming out.
Shh, don't jinx
I'm
it.
sorry. So it's been raining, so the track's wet. So driving the road course in the rain is really, really, really sketchy because even in the dry, you barely have enough grip to get around that course. But fuck it, Jip's going up. First lap on the skid pad ever, and it's wet. So I wish
It's gonna be squirrely, but actually I got like 11 minutes, so I'm gonna say a quick prayer.
What are your thoughts?
I don't know. Going open-minded, clear eyes, focused. Send it.
He'll do all right. First time out.
I'm good. I'm confident.
It's off.
Who's he got in the car with?
Does he have somebody? What'd you think?
He's getting there.
I just did like 2 laps on the road course. It is way too slippery to make it really even that fun to drive. I don't really have the best tires, so I'm just dishing off track. And I'm gonna let the course dry up a little bit and be a bitch. I'm gonna watch Jip drift, and I'm really excited for him because I could drift all day. Jip has that's a Camaro, dude. That's amazing. That's the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Wait, Kyle.
Brian would love that. So we're just gonna enjoy Jip's class, and then I'll go back up on the road course. What do you think? How did you do the first lap? I was like,
He did good. He did good.
this course in the rain is hard to learn on because they had this like little hairpin in the back. Right there.
That's awesome.
That was really good. Oh yeah, 360 entry, boy. I see you. Keep gunning, Jip. Oh, he's got a lot of angle. He's good. There you go. He's slowing it. Get it, boy.
He braked you.
He tried. He did e-brake that. I'm so. The car sounds good. There it is. That was really good.
So good.
Jip, I'm so proud of you. That was awesome, especially for drifting in the rain. That is not easy. Oh, Jip round 2 or 3, whatever it was. Oh, you gotta fill it out. You gotta fill it out.
Water.
I see. Yeah. Oh, too much sauce. Oh, they skunked him. Yeah, boy. Oh!
Yo, he literally almost did what I did, dude.
It's all right.
Good.
Keep going.
Yeah, there you go. Put my team to the test.
Oh yeah.
Too much sauce. Yeah, everybody's one out right there.
Go Jip, go.
Go, Jip. Yeah, baby. Go, get off the gas. Go. All right, he backed off. He got scared of the M3. Jip, just let the M3 pass. Come on. There you go. Oh, good save, Jip. Let her eat. Oh, yeah. clutch kick, clutch kick. Ah! Jimmy Donut. Door slam. Chip's the door slam king, we gotta admit. There you go, Chip. There you go, stay in it. There it is. Get on it. I see my son. He just missed Chip.
I know, we saw him go
He
by.
did really good.
Did he?
Hello. What's up, Tinklemans?
Hey.
Oh shit! How do you feel? You did amazing.
I feel good. I just spun a lot.
You're doing great.
Thank you. I know. I just got to get used to it. It finally dried up now, so now it's all consistent. So.
Car sounds great.
Thank you.
Is it hitting?
Yeah, it feels good. It's just I got to get the grip dialed in. Like,
Yeah, you'll
it had
figure
a
out-
lot of pressure, so I bumped it down, and then that's when I started doing better.
There you
but
go,
now
yeah.
it's drying up too. So.
There you go.
Little
You'll
by
get it in
little.
no time.
All right, we had a little scuff with the wall. Oops. And we had a little scuff with the wall up here too. Found something interesting though. There's a culprit.
Power steering belt came off. This thing was literally, we just looked at it. It was sitting like on here, and I got stuck. I was wondering, like, you could see me get stuck in angle, and I'm like, what the fuck? And when you stay in it,
Shitload of load on that belt there.
Yeah.
All that grip and all that angle.
so my power steering belt fell off at the worst time possible. But I think if I take my headlight off, put it there, I could still drift for the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, for sure. Like this isn't that
If
big.
Mike lets me.
This time the upper rail definitely kinked a little bit.
But it's still not too front end bad. So screw it.
It's never too front end bad.
When you got B-Haul. All right, give me this thing for a second.
So, we got a little happy. Jimmy tapped a little wall. Got a little tappy happy or something.
Got a little
But basically, so I noticed the paint was chipped and cracked on the tension rod, and the alignment didn't look right, which means the tension rod and likely the control arm are a little bent. So we're compensating with the tie rod. Jimmy's gonna tow this side out a little bit, and hopefully it'll be all right. What do you think?
We'll find out.
I guess we're gonna find out.
See if I can just ride. I don't know if I feel confident putting the car with this alignment on the road course. So I'm gonna see if I can just drift the skid pad for the rest of the day. Which is still fun, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Don are twins now. Hey, twinnies!
You should.
I lost my back bumper.
You lost your back bumper. What else is new, Don?
God. Hey, me and Sal are tandeming though.
You're
I'm
tandeming?
freaking getting it, dude.
You're getting it?
Yeah, I'm hyped.
Hopefully we'll get some clips of you later.
Yeah, hopefully Jimmy comes back out.
Yeah, well, we're probably gonna head out on the skid pad because we tapped the wall.
Jesus Christ.
All right, so my car should be good to drive. We're gonna find out right now, but we're gonna go watch Jip because he should be out right now, and I want to see how well he's doing. He just took Drew out, so. Jip second round, first lap. Great start. Okay, he gripped up a little bit. It's okay. Uh-oh, did he blow a coupler? I think he blew a coupler. I think we have a blown out master. Yeah, we definitely have a blown out master. Well, that's what an e-brake's for. It's in the name, emergency brake. In case of emergencies like today.
That's a hydro though, so that's for water, right?
Okay, so I'll use this to drift, and then I'll slow down with this because that's the emergency. Jip has drop down outer tie rod, so they're basically an extended outer tie rod. I was explaining it in yesterday's video. It's so cold out. His keep breaking. I don't know why. I don't know if his front end's binding or if he's buying shitty ones or what, but one broke on him, and so he obviously had no steering, and that's why he kind of had to put off the track. So we rigged something up for now so we could drift. We're gonna go out and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna park my car and just take my outer tie rods off. I think I'm done for the day. Driving on the skid pad is like possible, but at this point it's just kind of sketchy, and I don't want to put anyone's car in danger because my car might fail. So I had fun, got to do a little bit of tandeming with Sal, nothing too crazy. So we're gonna try and stay warm and just help Jip through the rest of the day and let him enjoy his first drift event.
Mike, ooh, she's icy. This one's actually legal too.
It is.
Wow. I got hot cocoa, so I'm chilling. Jip's up. Okay, he went full send first into the ribs. Look at him go. Dude, oh, get it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Get it, Jip. Okay. He's coming in hot. Jimmy Donut. Get it. There you go. All right, we won't show that one. We won't show that. Oh.
All right, completely forgetting to look at the camera, but Jip, you're doing wonderful, sweetie. You're doing wonderful. Go, Jip, go!
Hope I actually recorded this.
Let that shit eat, Jip!
Uh-oh. You're good. You just got too hot.
No worry.
You're doing good. He's getting excited. Okay. We lost. Oh, that person's went out. Jip, give him some room.
Just wait.
Yeah. My hands are so big. There it is, Jip. Keep it going. Oh, tandem. Yeah, go around it.
What happened, Jip? Tie rods are being janky. So, calling it so I could drive it home. But I had fun.
So just having a lot of issues with outer tie rods all day. Can't even speak, I'm so cold. But I offered it to let him use mine. But he's done drifting for the day. I think he had his fun.
Yeah.
Get a proper,
thank you. Get a proper suspension set up so I don't have to worry about tightening them every other run. And consistent steering, not having to fight the self-steer will be nice.
Yeah, we gotta work on your caster.
It needs a legit alignment, like put on a rack and dialed in. Next year.
You did great.
Thank you.
Hope it motivates you.
It is. I'm motivated. It just sucks that it's winter already. But what are you gonna do?
Alright, so Jip headed out, and I'm here alone now, but
S13's all loaded up, ready to go.
my left side can't catch a break, but it's unfortunate, but it's part of drifting, and it's gonna happen. We'll rebuild. I'll rebuild the car. I'll put time in the car. I'll make it perfect again, and we'll go from there. So it's really cold. Last drift of the season, and I would say even though it ended short, it was still a really good time. So time to get back, eat some dinner, unload the car, and start getting ready for next season.
You ready?
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys
Tomorrow.